how to create NYSC profile. So if you want to create NYSC profile, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. After that, open up your browser and then you need to search for NYSC registration portal. Once you search for NYSC, go with your official web page, and then here on the bottom you will have registration portal. You need to click on the registration portal and just wait for a few seconds, and then it will take you to this kind of interface. After that, you need to click on mobilization batch registration. If you are a new prospective core member, you'll see a button that says fresh registration. Go with online application for remobilization, and it will take you to this kind of interface. You can apply for remobilization. Click on it and then fill in your personal details exactly as they appear on your school document. That includes your full name, your date of birth, and your matrix number. Next, you need to create a strong password and then enter a valid email and verify it when prompted. Then upload a clear passport photo that meets NYSC requirements. No filters, hat, or glasses. If you study abroad, you'll also need to upload your foreign certificates. Once all details are complete, you need to double check your information carefully before submitting. Finally, click on submit and your NYSC profile will be created. You can log in anytime with your email and password to continue registration, print slips, or check call-up details. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.